Losing repeat buyers? Customer experience slipping, and so are your sales. Customers expect fast, smooth, accurate shopping every single time. But disconnected systems equals delays, errors, and no second chances. With x2x integration, your entire backend talks to your online store in real time. Stock levels update instantly, orders flow without delay. Customer data syncs seamlessly. That means faster checkouts, fewer errors, and way more repeat buyers. x2x works with the platforms you already use with no disruption, just acceleration. Turn one-time buyers into loyal customers. Speed up your sales with x2x integration solution.
Contact us today to explore how integrated solutions can transform your business.